We've successfully recreated this imported nightstand in our workshop. Take a look at our structure quality. Solid, strong, and built to last. Properly sized legs are essential. They enhance the nightstand's overall beauty. And now our nightstand structure is completely finished. Let us know in the comments, how do you like this structure? This is how natural wood colors are revealed through polishing. This is my favorite part of the process. So finally, our nightstand is fully decorated and polished and ready. If it looks this beautiful in our workshop, imagine how stunning it will look in the client's home.